In 1919, a wave of molasses killed 21 people in Boston. January 15th, 1919, a normal Wednesday in Boston's North End. Then a 50-foot-tall tank holding 2.3 million gallons of molasses exploded. A 25-foot wave of thick, sticky molasses rushed through the streets at 35 miles per hour. It crushed buildings, lifted a train off its tracks, and trapped people like quicksand. You couldn't outrun it. You couldn't swim in it. It was too thick. 21 people drowned in molasses. 150 were injured. Cleanup took weeks. The harbor was brown for months. And on hot days, people say you can still smell molasses in that part of Boston. The sweetest disaster in American history. Follow for more insane historical events.